Alex, he won't stop telling me that he lost his feelings. Do you think that I still have a chance? How can I really make him feel that he loves me, that he wants to be with me? Ladies, I know that this situation is very stressful. I also know that you're trying your best to make him open his eyes. You want him to feel that your relationship is different, that you have a lot of in common, a lot of chemistry as well. Basically, that you're meant to be together. And so when you come to me and you tell me, Alex, he told me that he lost his feelings. Do you think I still have a chance? We have a huge issue. Huge one is that men and women, we are different on the words that we would use. Based on my experience, I've realized that men, we will make a confusion between love and being in love. So most of the time, when a man is telling you, hey, I don't love you, it's over, I lost my feelings, it really means I am not in love. I don't feel the spark. I don't feel the amazing connection like before. So usually he still loves you, he still has some feelings for you, but there is a lack of attraction. There is a lack of fun. There is a lack of new activities, so new emotions as well. But I want you to really not look at his words, because every time you come to me, you're trying to negotiate with him. Why don't you love me? Why did you lose this feeling, your feelings? Why did I do wrong? And then you will ask him question, but yesterday you told me you love me. Was it real? Everything that we need to avoid. I know, ladies, I know it's not easy, but if you don't change the behavior, you will only put him on a pedestal. You will only focus on him, and that's when you will suffer. So on the opposite side, what do I really want to create with you? It's an idea. The idea that we can make him fall in love again if we focus on attraction. Because yes, men can really take a woman for granted. That's true. They can take a woman for granted very fast. You just met and now it's taking you for granted. But in the meantime, it can also very, very fast change his mindset. So very quickly it will go from I'm taking you for granted to, oh, you're a challenge again. So that's a good news, right? So you were the one. Now he's taking you for granted. We can come back as the one very fast if we do the right behavior. The right behavior is to understand what drives a man to put a woman on a pedestal. Number one, it's all about the image, what you represent, your look, your charisma, the way you stand, the way you smile, etc. So we want to make sure that we will look good. And I'm not asking you to become someone else. You can be who you are with your style, with your look, with anything, but just take good care of yourself and be proud of yourself. Because when you tell me that a man lost his feelings, you don't look at yourself the same way in the mirror, right? You're like seeing the problems, you're seeing your flaws, you're not feeling great and positive. So that's the reason why I want to make sure that we will focus on a brand new image. I want to make sure that we will focus on being positive and also looking at your qualities. Because when a man will feel that you're changing the way you dress, not changing, you're buying new clothes, maybe changing a little bit of your haircut or your glasses or whatever, these are the things that they will remember. These are the things that they will see immediately. So basically, your image is the most important thing that we need to look at. And so another tool that I will use with my client is to stop being rational. Don't seek answers. Don't try to understand him. Don't try to redo the relationship. Oh, I should have done this. Oh, maybe I should have said that. We don't live in the past. The number one tool when a man lost his feelings is to flirt with him. The more we can flirt, the more we make it fun. We make it exciting. We make it different. So instead of pushing him away and asking questions about feelings, no, we will try to regroup and ask questions and stay in touch, but in a way that we can create a deep connection, in a way that we can create something fun. And the last part, in a way where he can feel alive. Because if he feels alive, if he's exciting about the communication, the conversation, everything that's going well between the two of you, we know that we will win him back. Or at least we know that we will make him fall in love again with you. So flirting with a man is clearly the solution when he's telling you that he lost his feelings, when he's telling you that he doesn't know what he wants, when he's telling you that he doesn't know if he wants to commit, or when he's telling you that there is something that's not the same as the beginning of the relationship. Because of course, you evolved, you become a new woman, and same for him, but just is taking you for granted. So remember, men would have a confusion between I love you and I'm in love with you. If you can get the big picture and tell yourself he loves me, but the problem is that it doesn't feel about kissing me, it doesn't feel about having this excitement. He cannot tell himself I love her. It's just almost impossible for us as men. So, if you want to learn more about how to flirt with a man, what does it mean exactly, and how to practice it, I want you to click in the description box below. You will have a link and you will be able to discover my philosophy. Because as a Frenchman, let me tell you that flirting is part of our culture, right? It's part of the education that we receive. So I want you also to learn not just the dating, which is very serious, but to enjoy the moment, to seek some attraction with this guy. So click in the description box below. But before you leave, make sure that you will smash the like button, you will subscribe, and if you want to go further, you can just come on my website, FrenchRelationshipExpert.com. You have tons of articles, and you can book a private coaching with Coach Andres or myself. We are a team of professionals. We want to be on your side. We want to show you a lot of attention, and we really want to make sure that you feel great. So you have answers, and you can make this guy that told you, I lost my feelings, we can make him fight for you. Because that's honestly what you deserve. So don't stay in a blurry situation. Don't stay at listening to his words. Don't take everything that he says for real, because that's how you are in a reaction mode. Or you follow what he says, you follow what he wants, you give him everything. It won't feel challenged enough. So stay strong, stay positive, and let me know if you need anything in the comments. But remember, if you click in the description, you have access to the flirt method and you have access to the private coaching where I can really dive into your situation. I will see you soon, ladies. Bye-bye.